So hi guys, I'm James from James Lights. This is my second Nemesis construction update, and I think this is the last of the supports to be installed. And since my last construction update, which was literally 2 days ago, the very first corkscrew of the ride has gone in. So all the inversions are done. Just that first drop, bam, ride done. Well, they need to paint the station and paint the lift hill, also the brake road. But it is looking well good so far. See you when I get further into the park. So now almost all of the track's in. Now we're over for Vinner Valley to see the new track. It's pretty much done apart from that first drop. So the corkscrew's fully done, which it wasn't when I did my last construction update. And that whole corkscrew somehow is just one piece. Like, how is that whole corkscrew just one piece? That is weird. And that is just crazy. Also, here since we last came, the whole corkscrew's been in. Also, some new supports has been in as well. And that is quite cool. The new track looks better than the old track, I'm being honest. Because this time it's all like black and red, and the last one was just plain white with a bit of rust. And that is pretty cool. But it isn't as cool as the new track. I give this track I'd say 8 out of 10. So, if you can see, the whole corkscrew's in, even the big part of the drop's in, and if you can see the prime pit in the lift hill as well, which I was not expecting, that is really cool. So the track is almost done, just that helix that goes down into the big drop, that's it. And they might need to paint the brake one, I don't know, because they might have painted it, they might have not. And please like and subscribe.